Now to begin with, what's so special about this Ikea that other Ikeas don't have? So normally whenever Ikea opens in any other country, it's just the same things like make it by yourself products and everything. But all the products over here are assembled already and nothing is do it yourself. And the meatballs here are chicken meatballs, and most of the furniture here is according to the Indian taste. So it's not just another Ikea, it's a very personalized Ikea for Indian audience. So that's why we are going here. They have invested over 1,000 crores, which is around 120 million. And then just to know what's so special about this, because of the Indian market, they had to change a lot of things. Let me just show you a video compiled by the BBC.
Buy something from Ikea, whether it's a table or a chair, it comes to you in the famed flat pack. So you take out the parts and assemble it yourself. That's not something Indians are used to. Because of the availability of cheap labor here, you usually have workmen or carpenters who can come to your home to assemble your furniture. And that's something Ikea has had to adapt to.
We will argue a little bit with our customers to say, would you please consider the do-it-yourself model? And the whole point of that is, of course, that you save money by doing that. But we're not naive, so also in other markets we offer services for home deliveries, for assembly, for kitchen installation. And in India, we assume that need will be slightly more than in an average market.
Everyone gets hungry when they shop, and Ikea knows that, which is why they have restaurants in their stores. Here in India, the famous Ikea meatballs will be available, but keeping in mind Hindu sensitivities, these meatballs will be made of chicken and not beef. And going a step further, there'll also be Indian food that's available, like biryani. In fact, this will be the biggest Ikea restaurant anywhere in the world, seating 1,000 people.
We are here at India's first Ikea. It is on a land more than 13 acres big, and it has more than 7,500 products, and it's like in a very good location. You can see all the traffic over here, and I have my friends with me. So then the store opened today, and the crowd is so much because of the promotions that we'll have to wait for at least like 15-20 minutes to enter the store because it's too crowded. So as you can see, Ikea is marketed really well. They have like been on the front page of the newspaper for the last few days, and like ads everywhere, and it's so full that they like literally have to stop the people from entering. There are people everywhere, and then we have to go in batches. Apparently there are 10,000 people inside right now, and we might have to wait in line for 3 hours or something. Let's go. And we are just contemplating on how famous temples in India have crowd like this.